Hello viewers, I want to say something to you. I have asked only likes from you in every video, which is very important to me. You know that it takes a lot of time to make a video, but it takes a second to like it. And my request is that you must like my video and subscribe my channel. If you like my video and subscribe my channel, it will enable me to earn money from YouTube and help my family and give my son a good future. I request again, please like my videos and subscribe my channel. Please. Thank you so much.